The load and shift test is used to check for anterior-posterior instability of the glenohumeral joint. To perform the test, the patient should be sitting with their arm by their side in a relaxed position and the hand on their thigh. Stabilise the scapula and clavicle with one hand and grip around the upper humerus with the other hand, so that the thumb is behind the humeral head and the fingers are in front of the humeral head. Compress the humeral head into the glenoid and then apply an anterior followed by a posterior shifting force to assess the extent of glenohumeral anterior-posterior translation. A positive test is indicated by apprehension, the reporting of an instability feeling, an increase in anterior or posterior excursion, especially when compared to the other side. Humeral head translation can vary widely in a normal patient population, so translation alone does not denote instability. The glenohumeral joint resting position will also influence the test. For example, if the glenohumeral joint rests in an anterior position, then it's likely that an increased posterior excursion will be found.